I'm making some sourdough discard crackers. I'm going to put the full recipe in the caption for y'all. This was my first time ever making these, and oh my goodness, y'all are going to love them. So first thing you're going to do is melt 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt and garlic powder, a little bit of Kfred seasoning. I'm grating up some Egyptian Romano cheese in there, about a 1/4 cup. Mix that up, and we're going to put in 1 cup of our sourdough discard. Once you have your sourdough discard into your bowl, you're going to mix that up really well. Line your pan with some parchment paper and get your discard mixture on and spread it out as evenly as you can. Then you can top it with whatever you want. I'm using a little bit of Zatar and some roasted sesame seeds. Once you have that done, we're going to put this in a preheated 325-degree oven for about 10 minutes. And then once you take it out, we're going to cut these up into little crackers. I just removed mine from the baking pan. It made it easier to cut with a pizza cutter. So these are not even at all, which is not a big deal because we ate them just the same. Put this back in the oven, 325 degrees until they're golden brown. Some of them will cook differently, you'll see. My sourdough discard crackers are done. You have to pay attention to these. Don't go on the phone because I was on the phone with Jennifer. Some of them are a little bit darker than the others. But man, they smell so good. So they all cook at different times. So I just took them off the sheet pan when I saw that they were done. Look at this. Ah, bismillah. I'm going to be making these all the time with my discard. Y'all come eat.